Hello everybody, welcome back to another Slime Rancher video. Today we are just going to be trying to explore basically. Not that exciting, so don't get too excited for this video. Well, you could get excited if you want. But I really need to get two more rad ports and, well, high walls on one of our corrals so my dudes don't jump out. Sorry. But yeah, that's basically what we're gonna be doing, just exploring, sort of, and hopefully getting another slime key. Because I heard there was somewhere called like the mossy something, and I noticed that there was a bridge where I found that giant tabby, and I think I'm gonna go over there and check it out because like it might be the place, but it might not because, well, I think that because that's like the only place that I haven't looked, and all the other places I've looked don't have the slime key to the mossy thing. So I'm guessing it's there, so I'm gonna go there. This rat slime was a little hungry. Good rat slime. Now what should I mix my balloons with? Wait, I haven't really checked out this area. What are this? Turtle slime. Cute. Really cute. Ooh, what's over there? Oh, I can't make that jump. Nope, not going over there. Puddle slimes are like swimming, and I don't think they would be that happy on land. They're probably not gonna make forts on land. They might only be able to make it in water, or you can buy a pond, and I don't have enough money for that, so you get to swim free for a little bit. And I've noticed that I have 3 subscribers. Well, 2 of those is just my dad and sister, and one of them is actually my Roblox friend. So I'm not too excited, but I still hope that you subscribe. Probably not, because my videos are trash and all that, yeah. But I'm trying my best. But yeah, I'm really trying my best. So please subscribe. But where are some vegetables for this dude? Where are they? Because rock slimes only eat vegetables. But, so, I need vegetables. This odd onion is pretty odd, if you I do say so myself. Eat all of these. I want to teleport back home. I wonder if I can, since there's a giant pink and giant rock, maybe I could find a giant rad. That's my goal. Now, would I find it? It looked like everywhere in the grotto. Somewhere, wait. It might be up there. Well, even if there, if there is a giant rad slime, it might be up there. Pretty good chance, say so myself. I desperately need food for this. Oh my gosh, why? You know what, I'm out. I'm not solving this problem. I'm going to make money. I haven't been feeding my slimes because I've been focusing on exploring. I should really feed my slimes. And I know this game is usually for later, like YouTubers that are like made a whole bunch of other videos, and yeah, but it's just that I found out about it and from one of my friends, and I really wanted to actually try it out. So that's what I'm like. Oh, it looks like they have like crystal beards. That's cool. Let's do this. Go. What is this? Who are you? Excuse me, who are you? Okay. No idea who you are. Ooh. Jetpack. Sounds like something I would like. I would like to zoom around the place. Why is it so cheap? Oh, this stupid jetpack. If it's that cheap, I think it's a stupid jetpack. I mean, maybe it's not. I can only just fly for like 3 seconds or something. I mean, that would make a good enough jetpack. But hopefully it's not stupid. Like normally what everything is stupid. But I still don't know how to edit videos, so this video will definitely not be edited. But once I learn how, I'll edit the videos. So let's go feed this dude. Hopefully he explodes. No! There. That's it, I'm buying the jetpack when I can. I just need this dude to explode. I don't know why I like calling it explode. Ever since I saw a video that said explode, how to make explode. Well, just always say it. So sorry, where is the veggie? Where is the veggie? Where is the veggies? Where is the veggies? I really need to find these veggies. And I hope you can hear my voice over the music. It'd be annoying if you can't. It was just minding its own business. Slimes, they mix. This is what happened to mix. Slimes become so horrible, dastardly slimes. They devour just chickens that are just like la 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 la. Ooh, I want to eat. Cluck cluck. Get out. My owner is gonna be happy with me. Ooh, breadcrumbs, yummy. And then just a slime just bounces over and she's like, hey, screw you. And then just devours you. Just stupid slimes. My slimes are fine. The slimes at my ranch, oh, they're fine. They don't need to go to jail. They don't need to go anything. They're just completely amazing. But no, those slimes, no, they're just trash. They just want to devour everything until all living life on Earth is gone. Jeez. Okay, off that subject and back to our game. Okay, I think this is enough. Not sure if I just need one more anything. That'd be fine, actually. Sorry that I'm going back and forth. I just want this dude to explode so I can get that slime key. So I can get into that the moss blanket. Wait, moss blanket? Is that what it was called? I think that's what it was called. Since I have probably enough carrots, probably not gonna have enough carrots now that I think about it. I had exactly enough. Oh, that's a bunch of... Drop a no slime key. I just dropped a giant portal. Oh, he was sitting. I guess that makes sense. No, my food. Oh, that is stupid. I'm out of here. Ooh. Where am I? Oh, what is this area? Right. So wait, am I in my ranch? Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, I can't go in there. I probably need to buy it. That's annoying. But I'm gonna head back to my ranch and start feeding my buckos. To get my bucko. Cause I'm a rancher. Yeah. I'm a rancher. Look at my cowboy hat. I'm a rancher. And I ranch slimes. Imagine if someone just comes up to you and says, I ranch slimes. Slimes don't exist. Yeah, they do. But on a different planet. Okay, I believe another planet. But you don't farm you don't farm slimes. You don't go to another planet to just ranch slimes. Well, I do. And it's true. So you are gonna come down to my ranch. How do I turn that into a song? You guys eat. Give me quartz. Now this is gonna be a little tough. Because I need the rats. Get off. Ow. This is gonna hurt. Ow. Ow. Okay, I'm done. I'm not going in there. Whoa, those give me so much quartz. Right decision of doing that. Hashtag right decision. What are you doing? Get back. Wait. It worked. No. Oh my gosh. floors from that. Okay. Let's see. Crap. Oh, I forgot. I need high walls on this. High walls. There we go. Wait, did it say core collector? Oh, I need this. I need that. I need that. I need that. I need that. My boom dudes are gonna go in here. My walls. Yay. I should have bought the jetpack. No. Oh, that's okay. And I'm not having these. I'm gonna put this here. Here. There we go. Well, I think that's done for this episode of Slime Rancher. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye!